Hello, everybody. 안녕하십니까, tanan. Ni hao mo shi mo shashita samda mashita wa ni shashie sawadika popan kropamakap namaste. Welcome once again to One World Reacts, when we talk and we react to these BLGL LGBT couples related with us a splash of K-pop, E-pop, and C-pop here and there. And whether you're watching this side on YouTube or my Patreon, welcome back with sa inyo lahat. We're gonna be starting our reactions to one of the hottest and newest Pinoy BLs in town. And this is our reaction to episode 1 of Hermoso. Yay! So Hermoso is a new BL series from the Philippines, and it is produced by the company that I have a love-hate relationship with, and the company that is being the most hated, BL-wise, Oxen Films, the same production company behind My Day, My Story, Our Story, the series, Sashes and Hearts, which is their recent BL, and also Haunted Hearts, which is their collaboration series with Regal Entertainment. And yeah, I have a love-hate relationship with this series because as much as they provide the only quality BL series here in the Philippines, their acts, their directing, the acting is very questionable. But I'll give this series a shot because it has another unique concept, just like Sashes and Hearts, where we did tackle about pageantry, although it could have been better. I don't remember much of the what I watched on the trailer because I did watch it on my own and didn't get to react to it. But if I can recall, it talks about seamen. It talks about seamen, like the fishermen in here in the Philippines, and how romance will ensue in seafaring. That's all I can recall. So we'll see. We'll see how things will go. Now, episode 2 dropped last night, so I'll be reacting to the first 2 episodes. I didn't get to react to episode 1 last week because I was so busy. I was so busy last week, so I didn't get to react to it on time. But here I am. I'm going to be reacting to the first 2 episodes. Although episode 2 will be on a separate video, since the episodes are approximately 45 to 50 minutes, so I don't want to export too long videos, so I'm just gonna separate my reactions to the first 2 episodes. So that's all I know, that's all I can remember. We'll give the series a shot and we'll see how things will go. But if there will be any scenes that are not suitable for children, since we all know that Oxen Films love to do some family-friendly NC scenes, even though they're not really family-friendly, on YouTube, I might censor them or cut them as much as possible. So if you want to watch the uncensored, uncut version of this reaction, and also on the bigger side, since I have to make the screen a little bit small on YouTube, then please have it on my Patreon via page in mine. Links at the description below. Muna after ka din, I'm excited, I'm intrigued. Let's start our reactions to one of the hottest and latest Pinoy BLs in town. This is once again episode 1 of Hermoso.
Naaalala mo ba ang ating tagpuan?
Also, I think some of the people from
Tag-init sa may dagat sa iyong mga mata.
Sashes and Hearts will be here as well.
Ayoko nang lumisan, di ko pa rin alam kung anong mali, kung anong mali, kung anong mali. Ayokong bumitaw.
Sulu Sea. So Sulu is part of Mindanao, the southern part of the Philippines. The very southern part. It's almost near Malaysia. Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Those 3. So it's really in the southern part of Mindanao.
Sino bang mag-aakala na sa sobrang lawak ng mundo, sa sobrang dami ng mga nabubuhay dito, sa sobrang bilis ng agos ng oras, mahanap ng dalawang taong itinakda ang isa't isa. Kahit gaano pa kalayo ang pagitan nila, kahit libu-libong milya ang pagitan ng kanilang mga mundo, at kahit tila walang kapareha ang bawat isa sa kanila, sadyang pinagtagpo sila ng tadhana upang buuin ang kwento ng kanilang pag-ibig. Isang pag-ibig na walang sinasabing imposible, na hindi alintana ang anumang hadlang at patuloy na lumalago sa bawat pagdaan ng panahon.
Tagaytay.
So, Mr. Kyle Alexander Lim, tell us more about your new business idea.
Smart Shopping Cart Developer is an innovative idea that was designed to target human errors in cashiers and consequently
This is a
to eliminate
That's the
hassles in human
AI,
transactions at our
Garb.
grocery counters.
Isa sa bottleneck of operations dito sa atin ay ang mahabang pila sa mga groceries at checkout counters. Kapag nawala na ang mga ito dahil sa Smart Shopping Cart Developer, pwede nang magbayad na lang tayo ng mga pinamili natin using an app.
But isn't it like we're laying off supermarket cashiers?
Well, oo. Pero kapag ang mga self-checkouts na gaya nito ay maging popular na at mas hinahanap ng mga tao ang mga quick service,
Interesting
mas
that they're using
mararamdaman ng mga
AI.
tao ang advantages nito.
Thank you so
Interesting.
much, Mr. Kyle Alexander Lim. There you have it, the man of the hour. Let us know what you think about this new idea on the comments section below.
Using AI generated, huh? Very interesting business-wise. Oh my god, not a fucking dildo. Girl, not a dildo on your back, or really? On your back, really? Mr. Kyle. Oh my god, girl. Not a dildo. God. But seriously, why are you bringing a dildo in public? Bringing a dildo? Girl, what is up with you? Do you really want to bottom?
Nasaan na yun?
But seriously, so,
Imposibleng wala yan dito.
girl, seriously, why are you bringing a dildo on public? It's interesting though.
May problema ba dyan, sir?
Wala naman. Parang may hanap ka. Kung nawawala bang gamit? Thank you. Napulot ko to. Malapit sa table mo kanina. Libog-libog na may ate nito, no? Sipin mo. Bit-bit niya kahit saan.
Exactly
Diba?
right.
Ikaw lang yung tao doon kanina.
Exactly right. It's interesting that you're bringing dildo on
Okay, sir.
public.
Sa akin yan. Pero mali ka ng inakala mo.
So,
Akin na yan. Private property yan.
Wait, sir. Nagpulot ka na eh.
Ibabalik mo yan sa akin o kakasuhan di ka ng pagnanakaw.
girl, really?
Seryoso ka? Talaga? Kaso? Paano? Pag ako ng dildo? Galing sa'yo?
How's that? How's that is small?
Magkano ba? Babayaran na lang kita.
Wait. Let me think. Sobrang liit nito, oh.
Yeah.
Masasatisfy ka ba dito?
Girl, you need a bigger one. Like you know those giant ones. Like,
Malaki mo yun for it.
ha?
Ayan, malaki.
Really?
Ang liit-liit ito, sir, oh.
It is.
Kung gusto mo, may alam akong mas malaki
Yours?
Tumitibok-tibok pa.
Oh, brother. He is a very horny businessman. A very horny businessman, yep. I mean, please, let's...
Call mo
Yeah.
lang ako kung gusto mo mabembang ulit.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Okay.
Okay.
Buti lang may friends ako.
Oh my god, not for... Oh god, not for blackmailing. This is why, be careful of the things that you're bringing next time.
Attention all passengers of Air Manila Flight 21996 to Manila. We regret to announce that Flight 21996 to Manila.
Hi, Kyle. Ikaw na ba yan?
Bakit ikaw ang sumundo? Nasaan si Papa?
Papa.
Nasa office. May tinatapos.
Wala bang ibang maids? O kahit sino man dyan?
Wala eh. So I volunteered. Okay lang naman sa akin.
Pero hindi sa akin.
Ganun ba kalala ang biyahe, Kyle?
Wala akong time para sa mga small talk. Pagod ako. Gusto ko na magpahinga.
Gwapo mo.
Ha?
You are a complete package, I'm sure. Maraming mga babae sa Manila nagkakandara pa sa'yo, no, Kyle?
But he likes dicks.
O nga pala, yung mga iba kong gamit,
More than vagina.
bukas o sa makalawa darating. Make sure na ma-coordinate mo yun.
Sure. Ika na.
Buenos días a todos.
Morning, Kapitan!
Okay, may mucho kita trabajo ese día. Okay, go. Así kamu dat ng buwerso para pwede kita prinsipya. Okay, vamos, vamos. Go.
Tiklan nyo kape ah. Gusto nyo ah, huwag kayong mabagal-bagal.
Dibo, andala.
Papaalam sana ako sa inyo eh.
O, kusya tamin. Kusa problema.
Uwi muna sana ako. Baka hindi muna ako makasampa. Susunod na biyahe na.
Ano naman gagawin nyo?
Miss na miss ko na kasi si Jeme.
Ay naku, ikaw na naman, Andres. Huwag mo na nga akong bulahin.
Andres.
Alam mo yung taglibog mo na naman yan. Tinan mo yung titimot tigas-tigas ang aga-aga. Ay naku, inuuna mo pa yung kalibugan mo kaysa sa trabaho. Ano ba talagang gusto mo mangyari? Sure na ba yan?
Mga anak
Oo,
ng mga...
Kape. Ngayon na lang ako makakauwi ulit eh. Miss na miss ko na rin talaga si Gemma.
Ay nako, wala naman ako magagawa. Sige, sabihan mo na lang ako kung kailan ka sasampa ulit, ha?
Sige, Kap.
Ha?
Salamat ah.
Oo, basta may utang ka sa akin.
O, sige, Kap.
Ha?
Sige, Kap.
Paano mo ko babayaran?
Pagtitimpla kita. Saan pa ako magtimpla?
Yun lang?
Hindi, pagluluto na rin kita.
Ha?
Bahala ka.
Sige, mamaya mamasahin kita.
Ay, sige, gusto ko yan. Sige. Oh, pure, Andelia.
Pare.
Oy, prinsipe, kamali.
Okay.
Uy, sige na. Napasa ko naman na sa e-wallet mo yung 1K. Magpalabas ka na.
Teka lang. Hindi ko pa nga nare-receive ang mahina yung signal.
Ha?
Ay, naku.
Live video call?
Kanina pa kaya? Nabawas na nga sa akin, oh. Sa account ko. Ano ba game na kasi?
Ano bang gagawin?
Video call nga, di ba?
Video call?
Ano ba, ilabas mo na yung burat mo. Sige na.
Okay yan. Gusto mo?
Ay,
I mean,
Love it!
Pasok ko to sa puwet mo.
Sure!
I mean, you know what? The twigs,
Ano naman yan?
the ones with poverty
Nakikipag-video ka na naman
abs,
ah. Kalat na kaya yung ginagawa mo.
they have bigger
Gabal na naman sa
dicks.
ginagawa ko eh. Pati,
It's true.
minsan ko lang ito ginagawa pag nagkakasignal. O sige, bilisan mo na dyan. Mukhang lalabasan ka na rin naman eh. O sige, salamat pre. Bilisan mo dyan ah. Maliligo na kami. O sige.
Uy, baka gusto rin ng friend mo na mag-jackal kasabay mo. Magdadagdag ako ng 1K.
Oh, really?
Tara. Para may tig 1K tayo.
Mutual
Pangdagdag mo nitong may uwi kay Gemma.
mutual
Pas
masturbation.
pre, nire-reserve ako to para kay Gemma.
Oh, sayang naman.
Okay.
Ako na lang kasi. Sobra pa sa'yo lahat to oh. Malunod ka pa dito eh.
Okay. Bako.
Pasag di sila kay wala na'y mahims. Magselos na lang.
Girl, I really like their skin tone. They really say Moreno and Moreno all over. Oh, let's go try. Oh. We need to calm down. We need to calm down, you fucking men. Oh, sorry. It's very interesting that they're really using AI generated content. They're like the first company that I know that really openly uses AI. And you know what? If it satisfies them,
In
then good for
fairness sa
them.
interview mo, ha? Ang daming views. Kailan mo naman sisimulan to?
It already started. Though, marami pa akong dapat na ayusin doon. Kaya nga dapat, kailangan ko nang bumalik ng Manila agad.
Oh, so gaano ka pala katagal dito?
2 weeks.
Just 2 weeks? Does your dad know this?
Yes.
Pumayag ba siya?
Hindi ako nandito para humingi ng permiso sa kanya o kahit kanino man. And besides, hindi na ako bata. Nandito lang ako para ayusin yung mga properties na iniwan sa akin ni Ma'am.
Ganun ba? Madalas namin pinag-uusapan ni Fernan na kaya hindi ka madalas umuwi dito ay dahil mag-aasawa ka na sa Manila. Akala nga namin dadalhin mong girlfriend mo dito.
Para ano? Para masatisfy naman si Dad? Para ma-impress naman siya sa mga gusto niyang gawin sa buhay ko? Hindi na. Pwede ba, Soraya?
Soraya.
Ano mang ginagawa ko sa Maynila is none of your business. Hindi ako natutuwa sa iyo na pinag-uusapan tungkol sa akin.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Okay. We love the emphasis. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Buenos dias, ma'am.
Buenos dias, Yumir. Oh, may matamin to kamisa.
Ben caliente kasi ma'am preso.
Por eso dali. Ayuda.
Buenos dias, sir.
Sa kaya di si mga gamit, kabaliban na di suyo kwarto, ha? Pakidala sa kwarto niya.
Also,
if you need anything, just call me, okay?
Can we
Wala
button
ang mga
up the
maids
shorts?
now. We only have Yumir. Yumir is our houseboy/caretaker, okay?
Yeah.
Also, can we button up the shorts? Like, stop showing underwear. What is up with the men here and flaunting their poverty abs and their cloth dicks?
Na-miss na kita.
I'm here for it though. I'm
Sana
not
ikaw na lang
complaining.
dito. I'm sure matatanggap mo ako. Di tulad ni Dad.
Halika na, ang init dito. Inaantay ka na ni Fernan sa loob. Halika na.
Okay, susunod ako.
Halika na, sumunod ka na. Ang init talaga, sobrang mainit.
Dad.
Kyle, you look different. You've grown up. Ibang nagawa sa'yo ng business school sa'yo, ah. I miss you, son.
Hindi dapat. Naisipan naman lang dalawin ako sa Maynila, di ba?
You don't naman, anak. I don't have time.
Walang time. Parehas lang naman pala tayo eh. Walang time sa isa't isa.
Bro, why are you standing there? I thought he's gonna walk out or something. Oh, that's Jeff.
Ay, puting malaki.
Oo, namiss mo na naman yung uting ko malaki.
Puting malaki.
Anong ginawa mo
Shoota.
rito? Kala ko ba next month ka pa uwi?
Shoota ka.
Man, miss mo nga kasi kita. Paalam mo kay Kap, huwag ka mag-alala. Sabi ko, sa susunod na sampa na ako sasampa.
Babawas na naman yan sa sahod mo.
Ano naman? Ang mahalaga, kasama tayo.
O siya, sige.
But girl,
Malapit na itong niluluto ko.
We need money.
Gusto kong kainin eh.
Masus ka talaga.
Naman, kahit sunin mo na lang.
Ay, oo. Ay, sinabi ko na sa'yo yan. Yan ang ayaw ko.
Very bisexual.
Kahit sumo na lang, ayaw pa.
We love bisexual
Eh, umalis ka
people.
na nga. Doon ka na. Maligo ka muna. Baw-baw mo.
Sumo na lang, ayaw. Arte-arte.
Gorgeous, take a bath first. And she's cooking. Let her be.
Based on the interviews I watched, he's one of the upcoming force to reckon with in the e-commerce industry in the business district, honey. His latest business solutions innovations is actually being sought after by the overseas companies. Your son is a real tycoon, honey.
But why is she speaking like that?
You can take over the Queen of the Seas canned goods.
Queen of the Seas
Then
can.
right now, ang pinakamalaking delatang sardines dito sa Pilipinas is ours. And I'm excited. Huh? You can make it even bigger.
Anong ibig sabihin nito, Dad? Nandito lang ako for 2 weeks. Malinaw na usapan natin yan over the phone. Aayusin ko lang ang mga properties na iniwan sa akin ni Mami.
Well, I was assuming you will take over the company, of course.
No.
Pumayag ba ako dyan, Dad? I am building my own empire. Katulad ng ginawa ni Mama noon.
And who else will? Ikaw lang ang nag-iisang anak ko.
Eh bakit hindi kayo gumawa ng bago? Paano doon niyo ipagawa sa kanya lahat ng mga pinapaako niyo sa akin?
Kyle Alexander!
Kyle Alexander.
You don't have the right to speak that way in my table, not in my house.
Oh.
Wala kang karapatan na diktahan ako sa mga gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko. You lost that right many years ago, Dad. Nung pinalitan mo si Mama.
Oh, so she is the new wife. She is the new wife.
So, kailan tayo makikipag-meeting sa mga lawyers?
May update na po pala tayo sa IT provider natin about dun sa app. Magkakaroon na lang po tayo ng test run.
Thank you. Masaya ako at na-expedite natin tong meeting na to.
Okay. Yes po.
It's getting late na. Tapusin na natin to. Okay, let's have another meeting later this week.
Yes, bye. Good night po.
Sige, sige.
Bye po.
It's really interesting that they're promoting AI. Well, some of them are bisexuals, I guess, because they had girlfriends, and maybe they also like women. Aside from loving dicks and being a bottom.
Sobrang close niyo ng mami mo noon, ano? Parating kanyang bit-bit araw-araw sa factory noon. And sometimes, sa carrier boat papuntang Sulusi.
Anong ginagawa mo? Gusto kong ba ako?
Namimiss ka ng daddy mo.
Talaga lang.
Totoo yun. In fact, parati kang pinagmamalaki ng daddy mo sa mga business associates niya, lalo't may party dito sa bahay. Kamukha mo siya. Kaya nga, pogi ka eh.
Huwag mo nga akong pinapatronize, Soraya.
Soray.
Hindi ako natutuwa.
I'm just being honest.
And I don't need it.
Kyle, bigyan mo ng pagkakataon ng daddy mo. Alam nating pareho na pinaghirapan niyang lahat ng ito para sa'yo. Kung buhay ang mami mo, matutuwa yun pag ginawa mo to para sa kanya.
So she died. She died.
Ang pag-iakap ko, pagdampi ng kinglabi sa'yo, paalam sa'yo, aking mahal.
And they're both hot. Not gonna lie, they're both hot. They really say chest and biceps all over. Pa-headlock po, sir. Pa-headlock po, kuya. Thank you po. They really say chests. He is really muscular. He really is a muscular bottom. Ay, no water.
Shit.
No tubig. Oh, good thing he's wearing shorts. Thank God.
Shit. Wala ng tubig.
Yep, they're both hot.
Bakit dito may tubig? Tapos sa bahay ko wala.
Yes, not gonna lie, they're both hot. One muscular bottom and one twinky top. We love that. A muscular twink, by the way. Gar, is he using water? Oh God, do not even fantasize about your fucking meat. Where did you all find these men? I swear. God. Why?
Pwede naman po kayo pumasok.
Ha? Anong sinabi mo?
Ha?
Para mas makita niyo ng buo. Kesa naman, nakatitig kayo dyan.
Pakalibog. Very healthy.
May problema po ba kayo, Sir Kyle?
Yung CR ko kasi sa kwarto, walang tubig. Pero, bakit dito meron?
Mahina po kasi ang tagas paggabi. Kaya nag-aagawan ng tubig.
Oh.
Pero, huwag kayong mag-alala. Ayusin ko po.
Very nonchalant si Kuya.
Kung gusto niyo po, sabay na lang tayo dito.
Or you just want to fuck him?
Sasabi mo?
We wanna fuck him.
Okay lang yan. Parehas naman tayong lalaki. At isa pa, tulog na yung mga tao.
You really wanna fuck
Pwede
him,
na
huh?
lang kung lalagyan niyo ng mali siya.
Well, you're the one who's putting malice in the first place. You're taking advantage of the intense. Sir, you are a very homely man. Go. Magpakalat ka na, Diyos ko. Tama ng RT-RT.
Ano? Delayed na naman? Ayusin nyo yan, hindi mga customers natin magtatanong na naman, tapos mawawalan tayo ng ibang mga shipment. Ayusin nyo yan. Tatawa ko ulit.
Dad, pupunta ako ngayon sa factory.
That's very good.
I knew it. You'll not disappoint me.
Wala akong pinapangako na kahit na ano. Ang sabi ko lang, pupunta ako ngayon sa factory.
Eh, sabay na tayo kung ganun.
Wag na. Mauna na ako. Gagamitin ko na lang dyan yung isa sa mga sasakyan.
Okay, Kyle. Okay.
Dumating na pala ang mga luggages mo this morning. Pinaayos ko na. Anyway, ingat for today.
Thank you. Nasaan yung mga kotse?
Hey, right.
Sir Kyle, buenos dias.
O, Yumir. Nasaan yung mga
Sir,
kotse?
Ay, yung kotse sir, nasa kasa po pinapagawa. At yung dalawa naman po, andun po sa baba.
Eh, ano daw yung gagamitin ko papunta sa site? Magko-commute daw ba ako?
Sumunod na lang po kayo sa akin, sir.
Bakit?
For what?
Saan mo ko dadalhin?
Kinakabahan ho ba kayo?
Tama ka na, Emil. Tama ka na, Akla. Go.
Wala ka bang ibang damit? Bakit lagi ka na lang nakahubad?
Mainit kasi sir, at saka mas komportable po kung nakahubad.
Gor, calm
Hindi
down.
naman po nakakaya yung katawan ko, di ba?
Yeah, I
Alam
mean,
ko sir, may bubuga naman yung katawan nyo. Pero di naman tayo papahuli dyan.
Pwede ba, Yumir?
Yumir.
Tumigil ka na nga. Puro katawan na lang yung sinasabi mo eh.
Gor, come on. You
Tara
want it.
Dito po tayo, sir.
Gor, you want it, so come on. Your dick, your ass is waving around. Just please. I'm telling you. Oh, wow. Nice car. For registration. Yun lang. No license plate. But seriously, I would like to know where do they get
Sir,
this AI generated
Pinilin po ni Sir
content.
Fernal na itong kotse na to, ito na raw po ang gagamitin ninyo.
Umaandar pa ba yan?
Yes, sir. Pina-auto detail at PFS po ni Sir Fernal para po pag-uwi ninyo, ito po yung gagamitin ninyo. Actually, ang sweet nga po ni Sir Fernand. At spoiled ang kanyang unika iha.
Anong sabi mo?
Ay, unika iho pala. Sorry, Sir Kyle.
O Yumir, magdahan-dahan ka ng pananalita mo ha, kung ayaw mo mawala ng trabaho.
Yeah.
Kahapon ka pa.
Well, it's a bit offensive calling Unika Ihalis. Girl, you have no rights to do so. That is still your bossing, okay?
Sir, kape nyo po.
Thank you.
Oh,
Pag nandyan ka,
is there meeting?
damdamin ko
They have finally
biglang
met.
natutulala.
They finally met. Kyle and Andres.
Kasalap ng iyong mata'y biglang gumagapang
Right?
sa akin.
Not get a light though, he looks poor.
Kalam na
Special cards.
Alam mo ang problema mo? Hindi ka tumitingin sa dinadaanan mo. Pasensya na. Aksidente yung nangyari. Angas mo ah. Yabang mo naman. Hoy, hindi porket maganda yung kasuotan mo at maayos yung pananamit mo, pwede ka na magyabang dito.
Oh.
Huwag mo nga ako mahoy-hoy. Sorry nga eh, di ba? Tingnan mo nga oh. Natapunan na ng kape yung damit ko.
Where?
Kasalanan mo yan. Puro ka kasi cellphone. Alam mo, wala akong time sa mga ganito. Oh, sa'yo na yan. Busin mo. May araw ka rin sa akin.
And if you all meet again in the factory, good luck with that.
siguro yung mamayang lunch, magkita na lang tayo. And by the way, isamahan mo na rin si Aaron. Kasi may mga mahalagang bagay ako na dapat sabihin sa kanya.
Excuse me?
Kaya nga siguro, and yeah, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, may mga bagay tayo na dapat pag-usapan. Yes.
Excuse me, sir. I would like to...
Excuse me rin? Bakit hindi ka makahintay? Nakita mo naman, di ba, na may kausap ako? Oh?
I'll just wait.
Tama! Diyan! Diyan sa upuan, maghintay kang tawagin ka. Yes, Kate. Sige, mamaya, mga around 12 ng lunch. Sinabi ko na rin yun kay Iro. Okay. Sige.
Excuse me, sir.
Bakit hindi ka makahintay? Anong kailangan mo?
Gusto ko lang naman sana
Wait lang, Kate, ha? May epal kasi dito eh.
That is...
My God, Ernest! Nakakaloka talaga ang magpatakbo ng kumpanyang to.
Huh?
Walang mga utak. Isipin mo, hindi ko naman trabaho ang mag-tutor ng mga spoiled brat na yon. Pero tingnan mo, ako ang inuutusan.
Excuse me. Sinong tinutukoy mo?
At sino ka naman?
Nako, ang kulit-kulit niyan. Kanina ko pa sinasabi na walang hiring dito. Istorbo sa work.
Y'all don't know who he is.
Hi, my name is Kyle.
And my name is I Don't Care. Sino bang nagpapasok sa'yo dito? Aware ka bang private company to at hindi basta-basta nakakapasok? Ernest, call security.
Yeah.
Yes, Ma'am Veronica.
No, you don't understand.
Ikaw ang hindi nakakaintindi, kuya. You are not allowed. Company premises. At saka, saang mababang paaralan ka ba nag-aral at ang baba ng comprehension mo?
Girl,
Lumas ka
listen.
na pwede?
Huwag mo nga akong hawakan. Nasaan ang may-ari ng kumpanyang to?
Bakit? May appointment ka ba? May meeting ka ba sa kanya?
Wala.
Then leave. Just leave.
Paparating ng mga guard, Ma'am Veronica.
Narinig mo yon? Umalis ka na.
Sis!
Ano ka ba? Huwag mo kong tinatawag na sis sa harapan nila. Nakakahiya.
Ay, sorry. Kasi naman, yan kasi yung tawagan sa messenger natin. Huh?
What's going on here?
Nothing, sir. May pinapaalis lang po akong trespasser.
They don't know him.
Trespasser? Who?
Him.
Pinapaalis lang po ako.
Sorry. Fuck this. Fuck this finger.
What are you doing with my son? He's not a trespasser. He's your boss. And the future owner of this company.
Sir, hindi ko po talaga sinasadya kasi hindi ko naman po siya kilala eh. Pasensya na po talaga, sir.
This is why I ask people. And stop.
Clearly, Dad. Ang galing-galing mo talaga magpatakbo ng business na iniwan sa'yo ni Ma'am. Lahat sila, puro may mga good morals. Congratulations, Dad. I am so very impressed. Ganitong kumpanya ang sasaluhin ko sa'yo. Well, I think, Dad, salamat na lang.
You are both fired.
Oh my God.
Magkaiba talaga kayo ni Ma'am sa pagpapatakbo ng business.
Of course, my son. Hindi ko naman lahat mababantayan ng mga empleyado na pumapasok dito sa kumpanya namin.
Namin.
Exactly.
Of course.
Kasi, pera lang kasi yung inuuna mo. At ang babastos ng mga tauhan mo. Sana, sinalang mo man lang yung lahat ng mga tao mo. It's very ancient.
Very ancient.
I already fired 2 employees.
Sobrang maling desisyon yan, Dad. Gumawa ka lang ng gulo sa mga employees mo. Ngayon mag-hire tayo ng mga bagong tao. Mag-waste ka lang ng mga resources mo. Sobrang layo mo from being like my mom.
Okay, calm down.
Kaya
calm
siguro
down.
anak, ikaw ang perfect na magte-take over ng company natin. Di ba magaling ka?
Huwag mo na akong bulahin, Dad. Sige. Payag na ako. Payag na ako na mamahala dito sa kumpanyang to. Pero gagawin ko yun para kay Mama. To preserve her legacy.
If not
Pero
for
meron akong
the
dalawang
mother.
kondisyon. Una, hindi mo papakialaman ang mga diskarte na gagawin ko sa pagpapatakbo ng kumpanyang ito. Pangalawa, babalik pa rin ako sa Maynila. Sisimulin ko pa rin yung kumpanyang ginawa ko dun.
Period. Manage 2 companies. I hope you can multitask.
Sisimulan ko sa pag-inspect ng buong facility.
Then follow her. Code red to everyone. Sabihin sa lahat, code red tayo. Code red.
Queen of the Sea Canning Company is the biggest sardines canning company in the country today. This company has its own 45 catcher boats, 30 carrier boats, and is the biggest importer in the country.
As if naman hindi ko alam yung mga ganyan, no?
Kabang, umakting ka na lang, sis.
Okay. Alam mo, Pedra.
Pedra?
Since elementary at high school na tayo magkaibigan, pero hindi ka pa rin nagbabago.
Eh, di ba nga?
Di ba nga ano? Di ka pa rin nagbabago. Panikera ka pa rin.
Eh, ikaw kasi ibang level ka na. Ang taas-taas mo na, ang syala-syala mo na. As a Manila girl.
Manila
Tara,
girl.
dun tayo.
Manila girl, yes. I'm glad he's still embracing his femininity even if he is hot. Yes, feminine men can be hot.
Miss mo mami mo, no?
Oo, syempre. Pero, masama ang loob ko kay Dad. I mean, naalala mo naman kanina, di ba? Hindi na nagbago.
Sis, grabe ka naman. Hindi naman sa ganun. Alam mo, mahal din ang Sir Fernan ng company. At saksi ako dyan.
Nako, Pedra. Huwag mo na siyang ipagtanggol. Uy, di ba bawal yung hikaw-hikaw dito?
Yeah. As much...
Oo nga.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken.
Ikaw din naman meron na. Ayan na.
Yeah.
nga
Basic
pala.
occupational
Ay, pero ang ganda
health
ng
and
ikaw mo,
Thank
safety.
you so much.
If I'm not mistaken,
Sir
yeah.
Fernan.
I would love
Hello
to
po,
point
Sir
that out.
Fernan.
Hello. Nalibot mo na rin ba si Kyle sa mga offices and introduce him to paperworks?
Yes po, Sir Fernan.
Dad, really? Pati pa naman paperworks, ibibigay mo sa akin.
Well, you know, Kyle, you'll be soon taking over the company, so dapat alam mo lahat yan.
Dad, nandito ako para magdala ng pagbabago sa kumpanyang to. At syempre, hindi lang para sa akin, para na yon sa lahat ng mga empleyado mo. Sisiguraduhin ko na mabibigyan sila ng mga magagandang benepisyo.
Okay, sige. Make sure ikaw na bahala, Pedro, sa kanya. So, ayusin niyo lahat yan.
Sige po, sir. Masusunod po.
By the way, Dad, pinabalik ko na yung dalawa. Siguro naman, nagsisisi na yan sila.
Okay, bye-bye.
Mr. Fernand.
Tara na. Tanggalin natin hikaw na yan.
Ngumiti ka lamang biglang gumagapang.
Oh, he's also working in the factory too. He is a seafarer and a factory worker at the same time. We love that.
Pagkat ang puso ko'y tumitibok, pusong kay sayang naglalaro. Kapag nandyan ka, kapag nandyan ka.
Hoy, ikaw! Bakit hindi ka tumitingin sa dinadaanan mo?
Hoy, walang galang na. Ikaw yung hindi tumitingin sa dinadaanan. Ikaw nga yung bumunggo sa akin eh.
Yabang mo.
Ikaw yung mayabang.
Araw ko rin sa akin.
Araw.
Buisit na yun. Buisit na araw to. Bakit parang ang malas ko today?
Kala mo kung sino. Ayos na yun.
Well, y'all gonna be fucking each other on episode 6. Like halfway through the show, y'all are gonna be fucking each other. He really say even twinks can be fit and healthy and hot.
Ako'y natutunaw, init ng iyong balat.
May magjajakulo na itong mga to eh.
Sa akin dumadapot, gumagalaw, mga galaw mong tila apoy na sumasayaw. Ang puso ko'y naglalakad.
Is this even necessary? My god, Oxen Films. Literally on YouTube. Go on YouTube, really?
Ano ba naman yan, Andres Jr.? Simula nung sa barko, di ka na lumambot. Buisit naman kasi si Mrs. eh. Di ako pinagbigyan.
Ayun
Sabi ko pa naman, hindi ako maglululo eh. Sayang to.
He's loyal.
Ikaw lang ang init, ikaw lang ang lakas. Sa iyong mga bisig, mundo'y bumabagal na.
I feel bad for him now. I feel bad for him. Hey. His loyalty is meant for someone else.
Sa piling mo'y nalunod, nawawalang galaw. Huwag mong tigilan, hayaan mong masunog ang gabi.
I don't know how much I can show on YouTube with how they're cute. Ah!
Pasag di sila kay wala na'y mahims, magselos na lang og magduka. Pasag di sila
Oh
kay
my
wala
God.
na'y mahims, pisteng kalayong nagbukal. Kay dako kaayo, kay dako kaayo, kaayo, kay dako kaayo.
Oh my god. This will be a mess.
Magselos na lang
Yeah, I might censor stuff on YouTube.
Pasag di sila kay wala na'y mahims, pisteng kalayong nagbukal. Kay dako kaayo, 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 kay dako kaayo. Big thing.
We're not good looking at this thing. We'll see. Anyways, I won't be reacting to any to the preview because I'll be watching episode 2 after this. But we will see how things will go in the next episode. Anyways, that is all my reactions to episode 1 of Hermosa. interesting. It is interesting. Yeah, it is interesting. I will say it's not that bad. Although there are some questionable tonalities and everything. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I can take it. I mean, I've already watched worse shows on my life, so this is nothing to me. This is nothing to me. It's actually decent. Like, both of the actors can act. They can act. Like, I can say they're decent. They're not that good, but they're not that bad either. They can do it well. Okay? And yeah. It's interesting that we are going to be tackling about, seafaring, all about handling, a sardines company, and at the same time, it will be really horny. Like, most of these men are really, really horny. I do think it is purposeful, that kind of way. Like, the director really say, oh, we're gonna make these characters very, very horny. Like, this is our branding, okay? This is our branding. So, we love that. We love the passion, the writing, the skills, and all of that. Like, good for them. Good for them. And you know what? I can see why it's meant to be that way, since both of the characters are freaky, horny, and all of that. Although I would like to commend Andres though for being so loyal to his wife. Like, not all men are loyal to either their husbands / boyfriends or to their wives and girlfriends. Like, the fact that he really stored all of his internal liquids for his wife is something to commend for, because if it was other men, he might have actually fucked a man at this point. Like, you can really tell. You can really, really tell. But I'm glad he stayed true and loyal to, like, Andres. Kyle is so freaky and a little bit messy. Although he can be messy if the situation calls him to do so. But he's very freaky. He's very freaky. He's horny. He might have a nice body, but girl, he can't even resist a dick in an ass when it comes to men. So, okay, very interesting. No wonder these two characters are meant to be together. Because they're both horny, they're both freaky, and they're very, very naughty. If the nature calls them to do so, then they will literally follow. So good for them. Also, it's interesting that this series is promoting AI generated content. Not gonna lie though, I'm not fond of AI generated content on shows, because we do use AI generated ones on writings and all of that. Even I use AI for some of my works, but not to rely onto them, just like, to check, verify if my paperworks are right and it's up to the standards, because I'm not even a proofreader. But to use it for shows and to use it as character, like, they could have used the actors as, like, those real footage of, like, actors and not AI generated ones. Sometimes those AI generated scenes threw me off. I don't know if I can see them as suitable for the series, but I guess they really promote AI as, like, a good way for alternative content, since you can tell that they're cost cutting and they don't have that much of a budget, so I can see why. But I do hope they don't rely to AI too much, because it throws the audience off, and it throws me off as well. Like, they could have shot more real scenes rather than relying to AI. But that's just me though. That's just me. Either way, it was an interesting first episode. I don't mind the parental issues, because at least Andres, at least Kyle can handle it. But we'll see how things will go in the next episode, how freaky it will be, how chaotic it will be, and how messy it will be. We will see. We will see how things will go in the next episode, which I'll be reacting immediately after this. That will be all for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to episode 1 of Hermoso with yours truly, whether you're watching this on YouTube or my Patreon. If you guys thought this video, give us a huge thumbs up or heart and tell me your thoughts about this episode. Do you guys like it? Do you guys enjoyed it? What are your thoughts about this first episode? Love na your thoughts in the comment section below. Pag-usapan natin yan. And I hope to see y'all in episode 2 of Hermoso with your truly alam that the current MBL skills and upgrade content. So stick around and stay tuned. With that being said, this is so speak. Thank you all so much for watching and see y'all again next time. Bye-bye! Maraming pong salamat!